Let me ask you something straight up. Do you ever feel like you've got this burning dream inside of you to make movies, to tell stories, to create something that actually matters? But the moment you think about cameras, budgets, or even Hollywood, you just freeze like, where do I even start? If that's you, then stop scrolling, because this is where the adventure to your dream begins. Hi everyone, Chika here for Big Shot Movieverse, and I'm excited to share this movie making experience with you. I want to help clueless but hungry indie filmmakers anywhere in the world turn their raw passion into global reaching films and businesses using tech, AI, and a step-by-step adventure journey. I've been in the freelancing space since 2010 and have successfully helped promote and market numerous personal brands and small businesses as well till date. Now, many aspiring filmmakers feel filmmaking is too expensive, too technical, or out of reach because of where they live. They're clueless about where to start and overwhelmed by Hollywood standards. They also feel lost on the business side of things. That's why I want to know if you're the one. And I'm not talking to the comfortable crowd who already has it all figured out. I'm talking to the clueless but hungry dreamers, the ones who might not have production money or gear or connections. I've been there. But you've got heart and you've got hunger. If that's you, then this next 90 days might just change your life. Here's my vision. I want to help indie filmmakers, people like you, and honestly, people like me, lean into the tools we already have, use existing tech, and also tap into AI not as a crutch, but as a creative superpower. Because it's not just about making a movie anymore. It's about creating something, building something that can launch your dream onto a global stage. I'm talking about creating films that not only get attention, but also earn money, build an audience, and set you up for a career in storytelling. And no matter where you're watching this from, whether you're in a place where filmmaking feels impossible because of money, I want you to know this. The playing field has changed. Technology has leveled it some. And now it's a lot more about hunger, grit, and creativity. Now, here's where I've got to be real with you. I'm not some Hollywood guru that has 50 films under my belt. I've made a couple of shorts. I've had failures, I've had doubts, and I'm still figuring all this out. But that's exactly why this series exists. Because I don't want to preach from a pedestal. I want to walk this journey with you. I'm learning, you're learning, and we're doing this side by side. Think of me less like a teacher and more like a fellow traveler who's just crazy enough to say, hey, let's go for it together. So here's the deal. Over the next 12 weeks, one video every week, we're going to take this journey step by step. We'll start by figuring out if you're truly the hungry dreamer I'm talking about. Then we'll go into storytelling, gear hacks, making your first short, using AI to write, edit, brand, and even reach audiences across the world. My goal is that at the end of 90 days, you don't just feel like a filmmaker, you actually have something to show, something to share, and a roadmap to keep building. Not just for clout, not just for likes, but for a business, a career, and a life as a storyteller. So, if you've been waiting for permission to start, consider this it. If you've been waiting for the perfect camera, the perfect place, or the perfect time, you will wait forever. But if you're hungry, and if you're ready to figure it out with me, if you're ready to turn your dream into something real, then hit subscribe, buckle up, and let's go on this adventure together. Week 1 starts here. Are you the one I'm looking for?